So we made it out of the house. We have everything we hope.
We hope.
The
trunk feels like empty. I'm like, are we forgetting something?
Yeah.
So we've been running through. I'm like, we brought clothes for that child. We brought this. And anyway, but we are out of Kansas City. Like, we're on our way. We are on the road. We fed the kids breakfast in the car, and now they're playing with their toys. So.
We're hoping to arrive at my mom's house around 1 or 2 a.m. So it's going to be a long day.
It's going to be awesome. It's going to be fun. Jeremy turns on the camera. I'm like, don't you dare vlog right now.
How can you not vlog Kendra getting pulled over? Don't you guys want to see that?
No! How? The cop would not. I mean, no.
Kendra was going about 10 miles over the speed limit, and a state trooper turned right behind her and was coming up behind her and turned his lights on as he came up right next to you.
So I was like, oh my goodness. So I'm like blinking, pulling over, you know, feeling all terrible. And then he actually turned the other direction.
Yay!
I'll do this speed limit.
Do you still have the adrenaline coursing through your body?
Probably.
J house out. Unfortunately, we're not done yet with the day. That was a good J house out.
Hi, how are you? Good. $12. Nice. That awkward moment when we're filming everything.
So last night, or I guess at like 1 or 2 in the morning, Kendra found the perfect app for Caleb. It's a Monkey Fix-It preschool app. The blue one, hammer the blue one. Oh, hammer it all the way down. So it's raining. The kids are ready for lunch.
Hey guys, it is noon right now. Look at this. It is so dark out and, you know, just cloudy and rainy. I've been sitting here thinking about how the sun is shining. Like, even though it looks like this right now, the sun is out there, like the same as it is every day. There's just clouds between us. Deep driving thoughts.
The sun will come out tomorrow. We gave Caleb a roll of tape. It worked.
We'll see what happens to it.
Finally, food.
So it took us longer to find the place than we anticipated, and like just the drive took longer. So by the time we get here, like we're starving. I'm gonna go eat.
Okay, now we're on the I-40. Only 755 miles more to go.
Almost there. Hey guys, it's raining. We got some rain. Guys, I think the storm is ending. Like, I think we're reaching the end of it. That looks like sunshine or the end of clouds or something different than just perpetual rain.
Yay!
We have driven all day in like clouds and darkness. It's felt like nighttime, and so this is exciting. I can drive all night. We're gonna get there without a fright. We can drive all day.
Every one of our road trip videos has Kendra singing some insane song because she's like losing her mind and gets loopy. It's so funny.
So actually something. We'll talk to you later. I can see clearly now. The rain is gone. I can see all obstacles in my path.
Sing along, join in.
It's gonna be a bright and sunshiny night. So here's the thing. I think of road trips as just one big car dance. It's just an excuse to like sing and dance all day long. So that's what I like about it. and you get to eat good food.
I see it as one big nap where you're constantly interrupted by a crazy dancing woman who's singing and crazy kids who want stuff. Bubble.
I know how to blow bubbles. How would I blow a bubble?
You stick your tongue out with the gum and blow. Oh, you gotta get, yeah, we almost. You gotta get your gum wrapped all around your tongue. It's a little bit windy.
It's so windy out!
I love how you did your hair today.
I worked really hard on it to get this exact look.
She can't get in.
Made it.
So we just looked for a while for a bottle. I strategically placed them at the very bottom of the back of our van in the wee hours of the morning last night. So we started at 8 this morning. It's currently 7 and we're halfway. That's demoralizing.
We're feeling a little defeated. Like stopping a bunch of kids and the weather.
Okay, Cubby, what advice would you give to other kids who are going on a 20-hour road trip?
They play in your bags if you have bags.
So have a bag of toys.
And play with it.
Laura, what advice would you give to other friends who are going on a 20-hour road trip? She knocks over the drink.
Laura, what advice would you give to friends who are going on a 20-hour road trip?
The shoulder shrug. So how about you guys? When you go on long road trips, what do you do to make the time pass? All right, Isaac, what advice would you give to friends?
Watching cool movies and if you have a tablet, bring one so you can maybe play some games. Ask your mom to put on some music and you and your mom or whole family in the car can dance with it.
Oh, that's good advice.
Nice.
Okay, you guys. We just saw at least
They're still coming.
12?
They're still coming.
There was like 12 snowplows that just went the direction we're going, and I saw a car at the gas station that had snow all over the bottom of it. We're hoping that we make it through this. If it's not going to be safe, we'll pull over and stop and stay at a hotel or something.
So I'm like really second guessing it. I mean, it's late, it's cold. Ooh. Anyway, but the winter weather advisory it says just minor. So I mean, if it's just cold and some like flurries, I don't mind that.
All right, we'll see. You guys, we made it to our exit. We are so grateful that we made it to our exit. It is just scary out here, and we were taking every mile, 1 mile at a time, trying to carefully get here. When we looked up to come, the roads were all clear coming to Tucumcari. We called the hotel and they told us it wasn't snowing. Well,
And we were only an hour out. They said it was fine. We checked the weather forecast and the blizzard just moved faster than we had anticipated.
so we're so grateful that we're safe, and we may be staying in Tucumcari for a while.
We're moving to Tucumcari.
Good night. Jhouse out.
I have no idea what this is.
You'll be